to show you our classic Yandy Glam look, but using my favorite Moira products. I'm going to go ahead using this Electric Nights palette, and I'm going to start here, a color called Chop Chop. I'm going to go in with Pronto. And I'm going to go in with Snap right on the lid. This is such a pretty bronzy tone. I'm going to go in with Purple Ash. I'm going to create kind of a cat eye effect with this color. And I'm going to take my brush with the same brush and just blend out and connect the bottom lash line to the top. Now I'm taking the color Dark Skies, placing on the outer corner. And now I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, create a little cat eye shape. And this is going to make her eye pop. Right now I'm going to go in with lashes right on the outer corner. Lashes should always go on the lash, not on the skin. Now I'm going to go in with this really pretty aqua liquid highlighter. I'm going to throw some mascara on her lashes. I'm going to keep it really concentrated on the outer edge. Now I'm going to go in with the brow gel. I'm going to finish off her lip with this really pretty translucent glass. Alright, here is our finished look using some of my favorite Moira products.
Hey YouTube, it's Jamilette Agiola. If we left you satisfied, prove it by checking our channel. And don't forget to subscribe.